Hello, my name is Jeff Mertz and I'm a design editor here at Wood Magazine. Today we're going to talk about an outdoor server that we have featured in the July 2008 issue. What you'll find is a very simple to build cedar project that'd be great in a three-season porch or sitting out on the back patio. It's built using some very simple materials. We just bought a couple of 4x4s, some 3/4 inch or 1 dimensional cedar, and some 5/4 cedar decking material, and put it together with some screws and some simple techniques that you could do on a router table or a table saw with a dado blade. A couple of the things that we get often asked is, how do you guys make your projects look so nice when the cedar out there is very difficult to come by, that has lots of knots? And what you see here is there are knots, several of them, and just by sorting through your wood and trying to find the wood that has really tight knots will yield success. What you want to try to avoid is knots that are loose, because they will fall out over time. On the top here, there are a few small knots, but I reserved some of the better cedar for the top parts. I really wanted to make sure that anything that was going to get direct water resting on it during the summer rains and drying cycle would stay kind of knot free. Another thing is for the legs. We picked one good 4x4, and I was able to get all the legs just by ripping them down and cleaning up. Was able to even remove some knots that were in the 4x4 as I cut up the boards. You'll notice that it has some aluminum edging down here. It's just a good place that, you know, when you're standing there, if your foot was resting up against it, you wouldn't, mess up the edging of the cedar. Plus it adds a nice little design characteristic similar to the bar stools. It's very simple to build. The top has a little groove cut in it and little stub tenons and some little filler parts. You just make a long filler to fill up the grooves that go between each slat. A couple of the other features that I kind of want to show off on this is, aside from the simple construction, when you turn the server around, you have the business end. It's great because you can store your bar stools in the back. It'll hold two. Another feature that you really can't tell unless you reach in and pull the shelf up, and it just has some simple hardware to provide a serving area. You can put cups and napkins and maybe have a place to store a cooler down below when you're entertaining. But otherwise, when you're done, you slide your stools and slide it up against the wall, and it doesn't take up so much room on your deck or patio. I hope you have a chance to build one of these if you're up to it. It's a good exterior project because it kind of shows you into the way of maybe elevating your skills a little bit if you're used to building maybe 2x4 or rough cedar construction projects, but this is a simple kind of step up to the next level. If you have any questions, email us at Wood Magazine and visit our website at woodmagazine.com. Thank you.